welcome to our YouTube video. In this episode, we invite you to join us on an exciting virtual journey to the 2023 Tree Fair in Bangladesh. Prepare to be captivated as we explore a breathtaking world of trees, plants, and fruits. With over 100 stalls brimming with an incredible variety of saplings, ranging from exquisite flowers to mouthwatering fruits, this fair is a paradise for nature lovers and gardening enthusiasts alike. Immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, diverse species, and infectious enthusiasm of this annual event. Hear from organizers and participants as they share their insights, and witness the staggering display of 869,836 saplings. Get ready to be inspired to bring the beauty of nature into your own surroundings and make a positive impact through tree planting. Let's embark on this enchanting journey together and experience the wonder of the 2023 Tree Fair. The theme for this year's Tree Fair, which will run from June 5 to June 26, 2023, is "Plant Trees and Build a Healthy Nation." Following the Eid holidays, the fair will reopen from July 1 to July 12, 2023. The tree fair will be open every day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., catering to the general public. It will feature various recreational stalls, as well as a wide range of tree saplings and seeds. Visitors will have the opportunity to explore and purchase high-quality trees at affordable prices. The Tree Fair in 2023 is happening beside the Bangabandhu International Conference Center. It is the same location known as the Trade Fair Grounds, where the fair took place. To put it simply, the fair will be held beside the Sher-e-Bangla Agricultural University campus. We encourage you to watch the full video to discover more fascinating facts about the Tree Fair. The Tree Fair is an excellent initiative to provide the general public of Bangladesh with a practical understanding of the importance of agriculture, forests, and construction on the environment and the influence of forests. Organized by the Forest Department on a monthly basis, under the patronage of the Ministry of Forests and Environment of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. In order to create awareness among the general population about agriculture and trees, and to foster interest in the subject, agricultural fairs are organized at the Upazila Subdistrict, district, and national levels. These fairs, known as Krishi-o-Briksho Mela, in Bengali, showcase and sell modern agricultural technologies such as improved crop varieties, modern farming techniques, agricultural machinery, and agricultural inputs for sustainable farming. Generally, through various demonstrations of agricultural and tree-related technologies, this fair aims to disseminate advanced knowledge about fruit and crop cultivation among the general public. It also strives to create interest in healthy plant propagation, such as the production of seedlings, and promote the sustainable use of agricultural resources. Every cultural or historical fair has 3 specific objectives. Similarly, tree fairs also have several objectives, some notable ones being creating awareness among the general public about tree plantation, collecting various species of trees for the enjoyment of the general public and highlighting their importance, generating interest among the general population for tree planting and supplying seedlings according to their needs, promoting the diverse uses of wood and its decorative aspects among the general public, providing clear understanding of how tree planting and cultivation can contribute to the economy and economic benefits through the fair. Here you can find various types of high-quality fruits such as mango, guava, kul, baroi, dalam pomegranate bell, Jambara blackberry cathal jackfruit dunor fig korumcha, kaju bottom cashew lal cathal, kiwi fruit, cherry, dragon fruit, Ada jamir, strawberry, pear, and nashpati pear along with saplings of these trees. And also flowers in various styles are Jaba hibiscus Hasnahena, Polash flame of the forest Kanakchapa, Basanti marigold Malati jasmine, and Noyontara catharanthus. There are many more types of trees, plants, technologies, showcasing elements, showpieces, fruits, homemade foods etc. are available here to shop. A total of 100 stalls have showcased saplings from fruits to flowers for sale at the fair, which is drawing a large number of tree-loving people. The fair attracts tree enthusiasts, nature lovers, and gardening enthusiasts from all over the country. Visitors can explore and purchase saplings of their choice, helping them create green spaces and contribute to the environment. The fair aims to raise awareness about the importance of trees, their ecological significance, and the need for sustainable forestry practices. Organizers and participants work together to promote tree planting campaigns and emphasize the benefits of a greener environment. The fair provides a platform for exchanging knowledge and expertise among horticulturists, gardeners, and researchers. The tree fair serves as a celebration of nature's beauty, biodiversity, and the role of trees in creating a sustainable future for generations to come. The tree fair offers a unique opportunity for visitors to interact with experts in the field, including botanists, environmentalists, and conservationists, who provide valuable insights into tree care and cultivation. Rare and exotic tree species can be found at the fair, providing enthusiasts with a chance to discover and learn about unique and uncommon plants. The fair serves as a hub for networking among tree enthusiasts, fostering a sense of community and inspiring collaborations for future environmental initiatives. educational institutions and environmental organizations actively participate in the fair, organizing informative exhibits and activities for students and young learners to raise awareness about the importance of trees. Tree fairs often feature competitions and awards to recognize exceptional tree nurseries, innovative tree conservation projects, and individuals who have made significant contributions to the field of arboriculture. Visitors can indulge in delicious, organic food and beverages made from locally sourced ingredients, highlighting the connection between trees, sustainability, and healthy living. Tree fair attendees can also explore eco-friendly products, such as handmade crafts, natural skincare products, and recycled materials, promoting the concept of sustainable living. By attending the tree fair, individuals not only contribute to the preservation and conservation of trees but also become part of a larger movement towards a greener and more sustainable future. In conclusion, the tree fair is a captivating event that celebrates the beauty and significance of trees in our lives. From the vast variety of tree species to the array of eco-friendly products and educational experiences, there's something for everyone to enjoy and learn. you're a nature lover, a gardening enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the wonders of our natural world, the tree fair offers a unique opportunity to connect with nature and support sustainable practices. If you found this information valuable and entertaining, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about environmental conservation and sustainable living. Together, let's spread the word about the importance of trees and inspire others to join us in protecting and nurturing our precious natural resources. Dear viewers, hope to see you soon in the next video with new events, new places, new journeys. Thank you for watching and for subscribing to our channel.